So we're gonna start here. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how many plants I have and what started it all. So let me explain to you guys what started my love for plants is this huge one, which is called Cerevieria, which is also known as mother-in-law's tongue. And this one started my passion for plants. Let me tell you, before I could not keep a plant alive for my life. But this is the one that started it all. I saw this one at one of my sister's house and I asked her where she picked it up, and she told me, oh, she had picked it up somewhere else, but it was a different Cerevieria, which they all have. There's many, I think there's like 3 different types. If I'm wrong, correct me. But this is one of my favorites, and like I said, this one's the one that started it all. It was a gift from my mom. She was kind of small, and I actually bought the pot for her, which I thought the pot was beautiful, and I always wanted that minimalistic look, just white and green. And I feel like all these plants add such a beautiful touch to the home. They add such a beautiful touch to the home. I'm not kidding. We just moved in here less than 2 months ago, and I feel like these add like a sense of peace, tranquility, and it's just so beautiful. So let me show you what we have. So we have this little tiny palm tree, and this one is usually in one of the bathrooms. Okay, so we have this beautiful plant, and I'm sorry, I do have a toddler, so he might be coming in and out, and I'm sorry. So we do have these like all around the house, but I just wanted to put all of them together. This is what I usually do sometimes, like once a week. We'll either take them out into the balcony so they can get more light, or we put them like this together, so just so they can be together, which sounds a little crazy, but I always like to put them together. And like I said, these are like the most that we like to have around the house are the snake plants. But I will welcome any plant any day, because I am like obsessed with how beautiful they are, and how if you take care of them, which they don't need so much maintenance, they thrive and they're so beautiful. They add like this beautiful touch to your home. I feel like they add like a different ambiance. They are just so beautiful. And like I said, I was looking for that minimalistic look, and adding the white pots adds that. Here is another one of my favorites that we have in the front. She is so beautiful. I will write the names on the top because I don't have the names on the top of my head, but I did want plants that were gonna be okay in the heat, because we do live in a place where it gets super hot and dry. So I wanted something that I can maintain, and this one is doing so beautiful. I've had it for about a month, and she's doing great. I think she likes it where she's at. She gets plenty of light and not too much light. So yeah. And these do so well wherever we put them. Some are in the bathroom, some are in our bedroom, some are in my son's bedroom. And why I feel like we lean towards more to the snake plant is because if you've heard, the snake plant releases more oxygen during night and it helps you sleep better. But my goal is to get more of these big ones. They are a little pricey, but if you do wait around, I think they are worth it. So this is my mini plant collection, and I'll show you how I have them around the house. And like I said, I'm in love, and if you guys start collecting plants, you're not gonna want to stop doing it. So yeah, hopefully I can add more to my collection. I'm so in love with them. They are so beautiful. They're gorgeous. Here are my other ones. This is the money tree, and this is one of my last this is the one that I've had for about a week. And my little succulent, which I love. I love her so much. This one is in my bathroom, and hopefully she grows. This one's called Jade, and it's so beautiful. I love it, the color. It's a succulent, and this one does really well like in dry areas, and so does this one. so beautiful. I love it. Okay, so we walk in my bedroom and this is what we have, and I'll show you which ones we have here. So I usually keep this one, the snake plant. This is my husband's side. Then we walk over here. This is my side, and we have another snake plant. Hopefully I can get a bigger one for this part. I feel like it does make a big difference. It does add some beautiful color to your decorations, to the bedrooms. And like I said, I wanted something very minimalistic, very nice and natural. And we walk here into the master bedroom, and this is what we see. This little palm tree, this is where we usually keep it, and I think it likes it there. It's been there for about a month. Here on this side, sorry, I turned the light on. This side we have this one, the snake plant, which is beautiful. I feel like just adds a very nice, classy touch. That's all we need here, and I think she likes it here because she's doing really good. She looks beautiful. Now we move to the living room, and this is what we have here. Hopefully I can get another one for the other side of the living room, but for now this is what we have. We're in search for another big plant. We're not sure which one. Now we walk here to my dining room, and this is what my dining room looks like. And here, I don't normally keep anything up here, but this one, I just wanted you to see how beautiful it is. This is so beautiful. I feel like she's really pretty, and this one we got it at IKEA, which was very inexpensive. If you guys just want to add a little touch to your home, you can find very inexpensive plants and that add this beautiful touch. Before I used to like having fake plants, but now I feel like no more fake plants. I love my greens. I love how natural and beautiful they look. And here in this corner, I feel like she's doing great, and it's near the kitchen, and I feel like she likes it here. She's doing great. I was afraid that, you know, being near the kitchen, she wasn't gonna do so good, but I feel like she's doing great here in my dining room. And then we have this one. I'll write the names for you guys. I'm not really sure what she's called, but she's beautiful. Like I said, she has these white lines, just that makes her look beautiful. And look, as you can tell, it's blooming. It's getting more leaves. But this is the one I'm concerned about. I don't know why her leaves always look down. I'm not sure if it's too hot for her, but I'm working with her. So she's still beautiful. Yeah. And we move on here, and this is what you see in the corner of my dining room. This one is so beautiful. I'll write the name. The reason why we fell in love with her was, look at her pink stripes. Look how gorgeous her pink stripes are. And then the back of her leaf is like this eggplant color, which is beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, she's doing great. Beautiful. Then we move on here to one of my side tables in my living room. I have this money tree here, and like I said, I've had her for almost a week, and she's doing good. I'm still not sure if I'm gonna leave her here or what, but she's doing okay. Love her. Beautiful. Now we move into my son's room. So this is my son's room. This is what it looks like. And here in the changing table, I like to have a snake plant. Like I tell you, these are great for, like, if you have insomnia. These help you get better sleep, and not only that, but they produce more oxygen at night, or they release oxygen at night. And the other one, I have it here where his toys are, and this is like near the window, and this is what it looks like. I think she looks very beautiful up there. It just adds a different touch to the room. How to open the blinds so you guys can see. It adds a different touch to the room. I'm trying to keep this room organized, but it's hard. So yeah. To the other bathroom, this is what we have here, the jade. She's so beautiful. She's doing great here. And last but not least, we have another snake plant.